people, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna go on a different video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. After you watch the video, make sure you like and comment down below. Anyways, let's get right into the video. So my auntie sent me this video on Facebook, and normally I wouldn't watch them, right? She sent it in my inbox, and me as a person like this, normally I nah read chain message. Like, me hate chain messages because I just think they're so annoying, so stupid, and them not serve no purpose. Anyways, she sent me this message and I don't know why, but when they just wake up, I'm gonna say alright, then I'm gonna go watch it because the thumbnail they look kind of interested. So the video was basically this lady talk about a very interesting topic where most of we have our mind. It's a very sensitive, very heated, very informative topic where I'm pretty sure many Jamaicans have a lot of opinions about. So I feel like every Jamaican if you hear the video or watch the video or know about the video, because it's just interesting and it's different. So my whole take on the video is I think it was informative. I think should go deep into some things and learn something I never know. For example, she talked about the Chinese beat Africans or beat black people, and I said I never ever know about that, I never ever see that. But speaking of, the whole point of the video is she talking about the Chinese taking over our country, taking over our like lands and so forth, and the country has sell it out. Well, the government has sell it out, as everybody know that. But I just feel like everybody need to watch this. I feel like she do it in a really entertaining way with a lot of imagery and yeah. So when I watch the video, tell me what you think. Of course, we can't really show them everything because YouTube are gonna kind of see it as copyright infringement or whatever. I feel like me a ramble, but yeah, watch the video, tell me what you think.
I see them are spread out all over Africa and the Caribbean as part of them plan for world domination. They come into our lands to buy and resell. They live among us, but they don't treat us well. They're planning to take over the world. I never forget how Miss Chin boxed the little girl. I don't think the way them treating the Africans is any different to how they will treat us. They say us black people, we are our own problem. Apart from our lands, they don't buy anything from us. But we buy them food, we buy them clothes, we buy everything from them. That is one of our problems. We sell our land to people who speak a language we don't understand. Should they be plotting against us? Will we understand them? That in itself is a problem. Should they flood our land to implement their plan? We'll get the same treatment as the African. I know someone are going to say that will never happen. Should these Chinese swamp our country like these and decide to do us harm, what have we to withstand them apart from the little firearm we uno have and use by each other? All I know when they think the Chinese are come to save with, these are the very people who could put us back into slavery. And while we busy killing off each other, others are busy making their plans. I see the videos with the Africans. I see how the Chinese are treating them bad. Which leads me to want to speak to our bro God, the Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness. Sir, my ear say you're God-fearing, so I guess you have some holiness. Mr. Holness, I implore you to remember the oath that you swore to our nation and the land of your generation. Please do not sell or lease any more of our lands to these Chinese. Please don't sell us out to them. Remember your national pledge and your national anthem. Me see them a come for them slice of the paradise. But please remember our heroes' sacrifice. These people are not coming to help us Jamaicans. They are coming to help themselves, just like the other nations. And all I want to think the Chinese did come for save we. These are the very people who could put us back into slavery.
So guys, tell me, say, what should I say? No make sense. Tell me, I just want somebody comment down in the comments below and tell me, say, them no believe everything what should I say. What should I say makes sense. Come on now people. Like, we Jamaicans, we need to wake up. When I realize, say, alright, I know people are gonna say, oh, Jamaica, it's out of many one people, and Jamaica is made up of so many different races, and we accept everyone, and da 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 da, and the whole 9 yards. But if you realize, every single community of a Chinese wholesale or some Chinese shop, everywhere you walk, every community, not even community but in the city, not to mention downtown, every single where you go, there's a Chinese shop where we buy feed them things, not even our things that we make, feed them things. Don't get me started on the Indians. But anyways, yeah, come on people, we need to wake up. We need to know what to feel about this. Guys, comment down below, tell me what you think, and yeah, I just want people to see this because I feel like it need to be viral, and I just feel like Jamaicans need to wake up, the government need to wake up, and we need to start do something different. We need to start buy what one things them what we are make, support what one people them, and stop support the people them that are coming our country. And that was just my 2 little cents, my opinion that, and my views. So, more want no phone opinions, phone views. Tell me in the comments down below. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you learn something new. Can me learn whole heap. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Miss you in the next video, for sure. Bye guys.